Welcome back. Today's word of the day is break-even point. Your business's break-even point is the level of sales at which your gross margin, the gross profit from the sales, is exactly enough to cover your fixed overhead expenses. So you have fixed overhead expenses like rent and salaries and insurance. Let's call that $5. And you sell a $1 widget and you make 50 cents on each one. You've got to sell 10 widgets to make a 50-cent gross margin on each widget. Times 10 is enough to pay your $5 of overhead. No profit, no loss, just exactly enough gross margin to cover your overhead, and that's your break-even point. Now, you can talk about break-even point in terms of dollars or in terms of units of sales. So the number of widgets you have to sell, right? Either way is fine. Either way is great. You just got to know what is my break-even point to use that as a target for your sales efforts.